Unlock a world of convenient grocery shopping with your SNAP benefits on Instacart. Why Euro? It's easier than you think. First things first, open the Instacart app or head to their website on your computer. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and simple. Just follow the prompts to sign up with your email and a password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an area that says Payment Methods or Wallet. This is where you'll add your SNAP benefits. You should see an option to add your EBT card or SNAP benefits. Tap on that. You'll be prompted to enter your EBT card number and a PIN, just like you would at a physical grocery store checkout. Now that your SNAP benefits are linked, you'll see which stores on Instacart accept them. Why Euro? Look for the EBT SNAP logo next to store names. You can also filter your search by SNAP eligible to find exactly what you need. Start filling your cart with eligible fresh produce, pantry staples, and all your favorite groceries. You'll notice that while you're browsing, the prices will update in real time, showing you how much you're spending with your SNAP benefits. When you're ready to check out, your SNAP balance will be automatically applied to your order. If there's any remaining balance that your SNAP benefits don't cover, you can easily add another payment method like a credit or debit card to complete the purchase. Confirm your delivery address, choose your delivery time, and place your order. Instacart will confirm your purchase, and you'll be on your way to receiving fresh groceries right at your doorstep, all thanks to your SNAP benefits. Using your SNAP benefits on Instacart makes healthy eating more accessible and convenient than ever before. Enjoy your delicious and healthy groceries.